Fuck. Alright, what the fuck is up, savages? Back here again for another crazy eating challenge this week. I'm still here with my boys, Steve Will Do It and Kyle from Nelk. They still got me out at their house, chilling, just always doing some crazy shit. So today I got some giant islander roaches. There's some like big old fucking cockroaches. These things are gnarly. So I'm gonna take these out and put them in a little bit bigger container. And they even got these little ones. These are like their food that they eat. The fuck? So I think we might have a little.
How does that work?
So they put these little ones in there for them to eat, so they can survive in this little container and still have some food to eat.
They all just crawl around until they just want to be eaten, until they're hungry.
Yeah. Well, these big ones are the ones that'll eat them. So we'll take these big ones out.
Fuck. Yeah. Bro, that's fucked.
Oh, that's so fucked. I gotta get the fuck out of here.
That's retarded, bro. Yo.
Alex is eating Chipotle.
Yo, I can't believe this, bro.
Oh, it's hissing, dude. So
No,
they're called Madagascar hissing cockroaches. This motherfucker's trying to hiss at me.
They
Dude,
hiss?
dude. Oh my god, it's hanging on so much. Yeah, it hisses. You hear? Oh, fuck, man! Look at that thing.
Yo, that's
Holy fuck! Oh my god! Look at its fucking head.
bro, how can you eat
dude? Holy shit!
If you hold these down, you're a fucking savage.
Oh my god, dude! Jesus Christ!
I can't believe it, bro. I can't believe it. I'm not even trying to exaggerate. Like, those things look disgusting.
Holy fuck!
Honestly, I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice.
I'm gonna.
Those are fat. Dude, those are fucking. Those are like chicken nugget sized cockroaches.
You'd have to pay me a lot to eat one of those.
Honestly, how much?
I don't know. I don't want to eat it. I don't want.
I'm already eating them for free.
Are you doing it in one bite?
So what my strategy here, I think I'm gonna do a double barrel head bite off. So I'm gonna go for 2 heads at once. Bite off the heads, kill them, and then go for the second bite afterwards.
I like the strategy.
That's absolutely sickening. That strategy is sickening.
Double barrel head.
You're gonna wash it down with raspberry White Claw?
I'm gonna do raspberry white claw. I'm gonna do a shotgun, maybe calm my nerves a little bit. Woo.
Squirter.
She's a squirter, babe. Oh, he's trying to crawl out. Fuck you. Alright, so they got these little. There's a couple of these little guys in here.
Really?
So these little guys are the food for these bigger guys. They put them in the cage so they can eat. So we'll just have a little bit of an appetizer right now.
How's that? It's good, right?
Not bad. I can see why these guys like to eat those. They're pretty good. Alright, so let's see if we can get a hold of both of these. So this way I can get them to bite both their heads off at the same time. Oh, it's fucking hissing, bro. It's double barrel. Oh, fuck. I think I need to do this one. Dude, it's fucking hissing, bro. What the fuck? That's fucked up. Oh my god. Come on. They're fucking hissing. They're fucking hissing. Dude,
they're like strong.
Oh my, dude, they are. What the?
You gotta just do it with your hands, bro. You gotta just do it with your hands.
They are, like, they won't stay in the tongs.
They will not stay. Oh shit!
Whoa! Is they gonna run for it? Yo, they're getting pissed now.
They're not fucking happy, bro.
You gotta eat them. You gotta just use your hands.
I don't think you can go twice at once.
I don't think I can do two. I think I had to do one at a time. They're not fucking happy.
Can you not take it with your fingers?
Do it with your fingers.
Max Savage.
Oh!
No, I think go one at a time, bro.
Fuck. Good old White Claw, wash her down. Oh, I need to chew it a little bit more. Fuck! They're not that bad, guys. Come on. They're not that bad. Come on. I'm the one eating them. I'm
That one's
fine.
completely still now. It's not moving at all.
No, he's scared.
Did you decapitate it? Or
I just want one bite.
oh fuck. That's upsetting.
How is it? Is it good?
That what?
It's not bad.
What does it taste like if you could compare it to one food? Nothing.
No, they're pretty bland. Like, super.
When you bite
crunchy
it, can you
and chewy.
feel it still
Oh.
moving in the mouth?
At first, yeah, the legs are fucking like crawling around. Till I took a couple bites and it stopped moving. I mean,
It's so good.
all right. Oh, I left it a little piece. Little leftovers. All right, this guy's a little bit bigger, so we still got to get him out. Number 2, baby.
Why is he not moving?
Oh, he's hissing. He's hissing. Fuck. All right, here we go. Roach number 2. Oh.
I just saw the juices still everywhere.
I feel sick. I feel sick.
Oh my fucking god, dude. I feel like I just witnessed a crime.
Probably. Peter's about to be after me soon. Peter's about to be after me soon, I swear to God.
I feel like I witnessed a fucking murder.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one of the appetizer guys.
Those things were so big you could definitely like consider that a double homicide.
Can I get another White Claw?
25 to life on that.
I'm out. Look, this one won't chew up. You're a tough guy.
Smells like cockroach.
Oh, it tastes like cockroach. It's great. And just like that, baby, it's down the hatch. Fucking easy, baby. No problem. So that's the end of my second eating challenge. I'm gonna be doing crazy shit like this every week. Comment down below next thing you want to see me eat. I have no fucking limits. That wasn't even fucking bad at all. Like everybody else around here was freaking out more than I was. It's not a fucking problem with me. Tune in next week, see what I'm eating next.